Okay, distribute and combine like terms. First, we're going to distribute both sets of numbers with what's inside the parentheses. Then we're going to combine terms that are alike. So on example 1, 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 4 is positive 12. Then this is like a positive 5 times x is positive 5x. And then positive 5 times 2 is positive 10. Then we look for terms that are alike. So in other words, I've got a 6x and a 5x. Again, you go by the sign in front. So this is saying 6x plus 5x, which is 11x. Then this is like a positive 12 plus 10, which is 22. So 11x plus 22. Now example 2, we got a 2 times x, which is 2x. Then again, I treat this as 2 times negative 4. So a positive times a negative is a negative. 2 times 4 is 8. Now since it says minus 3 times 4x plus 7, I got to treat this like a negative 3. So negative 3 times 4x, well, a negative times a positive is a negative. 3 times 4x is 12x. Again, the number outside times both numbers. So this is still a negative 3 times a positive 7. Well, a negative times a positive is a negative. 3 times 7 is 21. Now we combine our like terms. So this is like a 2x and a negative 12x. So you go back to your rules for combining integers. Signs are different. So I subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. Well, 12 minus 2 is 10. But 12 is bigger, so it's a negative 10x. Here I've got a negative 8 and a negative 21 I'm combining. Well, the signs are the same, so I add and keep the sign. So it's still going to be negative. 21 and 8 is 29. Example 3. Negative 4 times negative 2x, so again it's a negative times a negative, so it's a positive 8x. Negative 4 times negative 9, again negative times a negative, so it's positive 36. Now again we got that minus sign in the middle, so again we treat that like a negative 1. So negative 1 times positive 6x is negative 6x, and negative 1 times positive 4 is negative 4. So now my like terms, I've got an 8x and a negative 6x. So again, signs are different, so we subtract and get 2x. 8x is bigger than 6x, so it's positive. Then I got a 36 and a negative 4. So 36 minus 4, because the signs are different, is 32. And then the 36 is bigger and it's positive, so it'll be plus 32. Example 4, again, this is like a negative 1x. So negative 3 times negative 1x is positive 3x, and you don't need to put the plus sign, so 3x. Negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18. Then we've got 4 times x, so plus 4x. And 4 times 5 is positive 20, so plus 20. Then I'm adding together 3x and 4x, which is 7x. 18 and 20 is plus 38.